Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Morley's Cook and Eat. So today we are going to cook bulgogi. So bulgogi is a Korean dish. Basically it means fire meat. It's made of thin marinated slices of either beef or pork, and it's grilled on a barbecue or in a stovetop griddle. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I have here some thin slices of beef. And then I've got already a ready-made sauce, bulgogi sauce. So this is what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to marinate the beef with the sauce. I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons, I would say. Just mix it. And then I'm going to marinate the meat overnight. So, ayan. But then, if you don't have the ready-made sauce, then pwede na naman siyang, kayo na lang yung gagawa ng sauce on your own. Madali lang naman siya, okay? Well, actually, pwede nyo naman talaga siyang kamayin na lang, you just use a gloves to mix the meat and the marinade, but I'm using here a fork, which is taking long, really. So after mixing the marinade and the meat, I'm just going to cover this with a cling wrap, the bowl, and then put it in the fridge overnight and have it marinated overnight. Right, so now it's time to cook our bulgogi. So I'm just gonna put some oil in here in the griddle, brush it with oil to cook the meat, okay? So I'm just going to add more sauce, about 1 tablespoon of that bulgogi sauce. Now it's time to add some sesame seeds. Just sprinkle sesame seeds on it. And now some spring onions. Okay, so this is now ready to be served, and this bulgogi is best served, of course, with steamed rice. Right, so I have here my steamed rice, and so I'm just going to top this with the bulgogi now. So ayan, it's looking so good. It's looking so yummy. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Please share this video to your friends and See you on my next video. Thank you and God bless everyone.